going on, guys? Thomas here from Gentleman's Cave, coming at you with another video. I think I'm recording. Let's see. Yeah, I think I'm recording. Doing a review on these Fast Mask gloves. Get these at fastmask.com. I'll leave a link in the description. Oh, let's go for a ride, shall we? Ooh, hadn't ridden in a while. Still get nervous getting on this thing. Got some new products I'm trying out. Just got this new visor. Got this GoPro mount right there. I want to test it out before, you know, I mount my $400 camera on it. I want to make sure it's not gonna hit a bump, fall apart, you know, and lose my camera. So I'll probably go for a few rides with it, see how it's gonna hold up. Orangeville. Have you ever been to Orangeville, Texas, guys? Let's see. I need to learn how to take these corners better. My own damn fault. Had this bike for 7 months. I got only not even 1,700 miles on it yet. Yeah, need to get out and ride more. If you're new to my channel, subscribe. I do, you know, this is my second motovlog. You know, I do other subjects, weird topic. Got the Sportster now, so I'll be doing videos about it, moto vlogs. Some, you know, I got some random vlogs I've done. Oh yeah, nice day for a ride. Going through Orangeville, Texas. Yeah, like I say, I'll leave a link to the description of these gloves. They got the knuckle guards on them. They got leather, very good. My other gloves were HD brand leather full finger. I love them, they're great for in the winter time, but these, I mean, it's just so easy to get them on and off. Convert, you know, versus the leather full finger glove. Let's see, yeah. Digging this new visor. It is tinted a little bit. It may not be too tactical at night, I'm not sure, but I don't think it'd be that extreme. Probably be okay, especially if you got, you know, aftermarket headlight. Yeah, that little GoPro mount there seems to be holding up. Got my RAM mount. I'm not using navigation, so I just put my phone in my swing arm bag. It's quicker than mounting it onto there. Got my helmet mount. Got the microphone installed inside the helmet. I did do a video called my Motovlog setup. You're gonna go check that out. Learn how you can get a setup like this. Oh, oh. Got my chrome chiseled eights. Gotta get out and ride more, man. Gotta learn how to take these corners better. Pathetic, I know. Like I say, I don't even have 2,000 miles on this motorcycle. This is only the second motorcycle I've ever owned, and my first one was back in, I was in my early 20s. I'm 41 now, so very inexperienced rider. But I'm getting more used to it. Pretty view. flapping in the wind. I do have my own brand of beard care products too. You go to gentleman'scave.net, 100% made in the USA. You know, see how well they work. I have done beard topic videos. You know, on my channel, you can click on playlist. You'll see a link that says the beard. See how well my products work. Well, because you know, you'll see me in the video, my beard. Oh, nice day to ride. Well, I can just ride all day long. Like I say, these gloves, man, I'll leave a link in the description. You can use discount code BAGC. I believe it's for 15% off, and yes, it is an affiliate link, so I'd appreciate it if you purchased it through that link, because I get a part of the commission. Win-win for both of us. Yeah, like I say, they got all kind of different colors, all kind of cool riding gear, shirts. So go check them out. The settings on this GoPro a little bit, so maybe hopefully this will come out in 4K. We'll see. Yeah, like I say, to this day I still get nervous getting on this bike. Oh, I had to give myself a pep talk to finally get on it, ride it, to do this video. But like I say, it's my own fault. Hadn't been going out and riding.